Hi guys, welcome back to Fighting 50, and today I'm so excited because I'm going to plant my papaya tree. So I don't know if you've seen, but you could go check out my other video that shows me planting the actual papaya seed from the papaya, and this is my beautiful plant. I have about 8 of them, and I'm going to plant 3 of them today. So I'm really excited. I want to show you how I got the soil ready and all the preparation you need to plant your papaya tree. I'm excited. I'm happy. Today's going to be a great day in the garden. This is the area I'm going to plant the papaya trees. It gets full sun, so it's a perfect little area. So to prepare the soil, I am going to get a Ziploc bag, rubber hammer, and the egg shells that I have been collecting and drying for some time. Usually I use the 1 gallon bags, but I don't have any right now. So you're just going to put your dried eggshells in the bag, and then you are going to smash them to smithereens. So we're going to use some Epsom salt, the eggshells that I crushed, and here are the papaya trees. You could see the roots have grown deep into the pot. We are going to pour the eggshells. Some Epsom salt. Here's the first one. Also, I want you to see the little green nubs that are coming out. You're going to make sure you take those off for the first few months because you want the papaya to be able to grow tall. So you don't want anything growing on the trunk. I'm going to sprinkle a little more Epsom salt around and give it a good watering. So I hope you enjoyed the video on how to prepare the soil for your papaya tree and how to transplant and grow your papaya tree. I will be doing videos periodically to show you the growth of it. Today is February 28th. That's when it went into the ground. I started the seedlings in August. You could check out that video, and I'm going to go finish planting my papayas. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe, comment down below, please, and have a blessed and wonderful week. God bless. Bye-bye.